Hi guys, my name is Rohit and I have been working in data science and AI field from last 10 years. And in today's video, we will discuss about whether it is worth to learn AI in 2024. Now by AI, I mean that learning data science, machine learning and AI to actually solve business problems. So learning to build those models. I don't mean that learning AI is, let's say, learning how to prompt ChatGPT. That anyone can do. So we are going to discuss about if you learn AI to solve business problems by building those models, building those AI models, is it worth to do that in 2024? Let's get started. So whenever you're making your decision of whether you should learn that skill set or not, generally my recommendation is you can consider these 3 to 4 factors. First factor is your interest. So do you really feel that that technology is interesting and you want to learn that technology to solve business problem? I have seen that many people are trying to get into AI or trying to learn AI just because there is very high salary that people get after becoming data scientist or AI scientist. So that as a only motivation won't work. So if you really like the technology, if you really have interest to learn that technology, and along with that, obviously you want to get a higher compensation as well, then you can think about learning AI. So the motivation for learning that technology should be right. The second factor you should consider is demand. So is there a demand for people who know data science, AI and machine learning when it comes down to the job opportunities, freelancing opportunities or consulting opportunities? Now on this side, if you are really following the AI news in last 1 year, you would see that the top companies, they are kind of in an AI war right now. So companies like Google, then Meta, Microsoft, these companies are coming up with new AI models after every 3 to 4 months, especially after OpenAI came up with the ChatGPT model. So this has completely disrupted the industry now. Now every big company, every tech giant, they want to stay ahead in the AI competition. And you would see the same trend happening in other companies as well. So every other company now wants to use AI, wants to use machine learning to solve business problems. Because there is no area, no field where we cannot apply data science, machine learning and AI. So in today's world, every industry is generating huge amount of data. So we can apply that machine learning and AI model, machine learning and AI technology in every industry. For example, in healthcare, we can apply AI for better and faster drug discovery. In banking domain, we can apply AI for fraud detection. So on the demand side, there is definitely a huge demand for people who understand machine learning, who understand AI, and who can use that for solving business problems. So if you learn machine learning and AI, you can build your career into various aspects within this industry. So you can directly target the hands-on data scientist or machine learning engineer role, or you can target ML ops engineer role. So for people who have lot of background on cloud platforms, they can target ML ops engineer role. So on that role, you would be mainly working on deploying the models developed by data scientists into production. Then for people who have more than 10 years of experience working in the IT industry, they can learn AI and machine learning and they can target AI program manager, AI product manager role, or they can start the initiatives related to data science and AI in their own company. Because there are so many companies which are still getting started with respect to data science and AI. So if you are working in such companies, such departments, you can identify to which data sources you are having access and how you can use those data sources to solve business problem using machine learning and AI. So basically within this field, there are a lot of career paths which you can choose based on your educational background, based on your experience and how you want to build your career over next 5 to 10 years. Now the third part is salary. So in terms of the salary or compensation within AI, the salaries are definitely on a high side because as there is a demand and supply gap. So whenever for any skill set, there is a huge demand and supply gap. When there is a high demand and low supply, the salaries are on higher side. So that is happening in AI as well. So, and especially after ChatGPT, I would tell you what is happening in the industry. Now, every company wants data scientists who understands machine learning along with some basics of generative AI as well. So for solving business problem. But I don't think even 10% people who are working as a data scientist, they know machine learning and generative AI, both. So this has created again a unique scenario where everyone wants to use that technology, but almost no one knows how to use that technology in the right way. So on the demand side, on the salary side, if you are really learning machine learning along with generative AI, there is still that early more advantage which you can get, which would help you in getting a competitive salary. So this thing is definitely on a positive side when you think of learning AI in 2024. Now the last factor which you can consider when you make your decision is whether after learning AI you can do some meaningful work. So let's say that you learn machine learning and AI I would tell you, if you get into healthcare industry, you would help in better and faster drug discovery. That would help humanity. If you get into banking industry, you can be working on creating better risk models, which would help in reducing the loss for the bank. You can help in identifying frauds in financial data, which can help in basically preventing some frauds. Then let's say you join automotive company as a data scientist, you might be working in their R&D unit for building autonomous driving car. So the impact that you can create with this machine learning and AI as a technology is definitely huge. So on that side, this technology definitely wins. So after getting a job or after building your career into this, you would get that feeling that you are doing some meaningful work, which is very important when you think of any career from the long term perspective. So these were the 3 to 4 factors which you should consider. Now, to sum up, basically, my recommendation is if you have a right kind of educational background and if you have that clarity that after learning data science, machine learning, and AI, what kind of things you are going to do, which kind of business problems you are going to solve, then you can definitely think about learning machine learning and AI. But again, don't jump into this field just because there is a high compensation. Only that factor as a single motivation is not good. If you learn, if you like the technology, if you want to use that for solving business problem and you want to earn some high salary as well, combined, if you have such kind of a motivation, then definitely think about learning AI in 2024. And for that, again, you should be ready to put a lot of efforts. You should be ready to learn technologies like Python, machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, generative AI. Because if you learn all these things, the market is really open to offer you the right kind of career opportunities and right kind of salaries as well. So if you're ready to put efforts, if you like AI, then definitely think about learning it in 2024. That would be my answer. So I hope you have clarity now with whether you should learn AI in 2024. And I hope it would help you to make a right decision for yourself. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.